Alam mo ba na pwede kang magkaroon ng kondo sa BGC kahit walang malaking bayad upfront? Watch this video until the end. Hey guys, I'm here to share with you the last pre-selling condo dito sa Uptown Bonifacio BGC Taguig. This is Uptown Modern. Target completion is by June 2031 kaya may time ka pa to prepare. No pressure, no big time one payment. Bakit kakaiba to? Pwede mong bayaran yung down payment in 6 years, zero interest pa, as in, at walang spot down payment. Semi-furnished, complete sanitary fixtures for the toilet and bath, smart home equipped, pet-friendly hotel-type amenities with 100% backup battery power. Walking distance to sa Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers, Mitsukoshi Mall at even St. Luke's BGC. Malapit din sa upcoming Metro Manila Subway at SkyTrain Monorail. Sobrang accessible. Kung naghanap ka ng long-term investment or future-ready home sa BGC na hindi ka mabubutas ang bulsa ngayon, this might be the one for you. Comment Modern or message me directly for full details and sample computation. Huwag mong palampasin to, last chance mo na to own a unit in Uptown Bonifacio BGC bago pa ito ma-sold out. Inquire now.